Victory with Ash. Rise, reset, refocus to succeed in life and win a business. Victory with Ash is a principled, invitation-only, free private membership community designed to help you grow as a person, build real skills, and make a positive impact on the world. Your path to victory. Rising begins with a decision to step out of your comfort zone, to challenge the status quo, and to reach for something greater than what you currently have. It's about recognizing that you have the power to change your circumstances, to overcome obstacles, and to create the life you truly desire. When you rise, you tap into your inner strength and determination. You refuse to accept mediocrity and instead choose to pursue excellence. Rising means taking action despite fear, pushing through limitations, and refusing to settle for less than your potential. It's the moment you decide to be the hero of your own story and claim a future filled with possibility. Reset. Once you have risen to meet the challenge, it is time to reset. Resetting is more than a pause. It is a conscious realignment. It means breaking free from limiting beliefs and patterns that no longer serve you. It is about taking an honest look at yourself. Just like resetting a clock or a device, you are deliberately choosing a fresh starting point. Mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. During a reset, you clarify what matters most to you. You set bold, new, inspiring goals. You establish a fresh direction, adjusting attitudes and habits so they match the life you truly want to build. A reset creates the space for bigger dreams and gives you the focus and energy to pursue them. Refocusing is where your personal power becomes multiplied. Instead of scattering energy across too many distractions, you learn to direct your time, attention, and talents toward what matters most. True focus acts like a magnifying glass. It concentrates power without adding more effort, turning ordinary actions into extraordinary results. This final step expands your vision beyond personal success. Refocusing means balancing your own goals with the well-being of those around you, your family, your community, and ultimately the wider world. When you focus on making a difference, your achievements gain deeper meaning, and your victory becomes a shared one.